Hello everyone. 2 days it's been heavy raining. Red alert has been given. And I am capturing. Oh my god. Yesterday garden was full of rainwater and today it's been rained. Please be inside your home and be careful while going outside.